Good morning, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with me today is a 1995 Porsche 911 Carrera Coupe. This is finished in polar silver. All four of the wheels have been sent out and were refinished, so they are back to like new condition. You see a little bit of the yellowing there to the clear bra. Back bumper, there's a few spots here and there, and a little gouge here on this corner. Really good shape considering the mileage. This is just over 131,000 miles on the odometer. This car was originally titled here in Columbus as new, and it traveled with its second owner to both Texas and Connecticut, and then it finally made its trip back here to Ohio just a few months ago. Notice some of those scuffs up front on the bumper, road rash, things like that. I do have a stack of service records for this car from the previous owner, so it was maintained pretty thoroughly. Gray interior. You have the full power driver's seat, 6-speed manual transmission. Everything works as designed. We'll see here on the driver bolster a damage here, starting to wear through, but just the age and previous owner getting in and out. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.